first thing we need to do here is realize what the question's actually saying. So first of all, they're telling us that the area of the triangle is twice the area of the rectangle. Another way of saying that is to say that the triangle area is equal to, because is in maths is equal to times the rectangle area. So let's just keep that in mind, because that's where our equation is going to come from. Okay, so first of all, we've got the fact that the area of the triangle is always going to be half base times height. So I'm going to write it as base times height. Well, I'm going to put the height first. So the area here is 9 times 8x plus 4, and that's divided by 2 because we've actually got a triangle. The area of the rectangle is height times length, which is going to be 7 times 10 minus x. Now, what we've actually got here then is the fact that the triangle, well, that's 9 times 8x plus 4 divided by 2, is the same as 2 lots of 7 times 10 minus x. And if we rewrite that, we can multiply both sides by 2. So on the left hand side we've got 9 times 8x plus 4, and that's going to equal on the right hand side, well, 2 times 2 times 7, well, that's 4 times 7, that's 28 times 10 minus x. So I can leave it there for now. To find the area of the rectangle, I'm going to solve this equation. So removing the brackets, 9 times 8, well, that's 72x, plus 9 times 4, well, that's 36, is equal to 28 times 10, well, that's 280, minus 28 times x, well, that's just 28x. I'm going to collect the x's on one side, and I'm going to do that by adding 28x onto both sides. So if I add 28x to this side, I'm going to have 100x plus 36, and if I add 28x to this side, I've just got the 280. If I now subtract 36 from both sides, I've got the fact that 100x is equal to 244, and if I divide both sides by 100, that means that x is going to equal 2.44. But that's not the end of the story. X is just a value that I can find. I'm asked to find the area of the rectangle, and I know that the area of the rectangle is this. That's 7 times 10 minus x. So to complete the question, area is equal to 7 times 10 minus x. Well, that's the same as 7 times, well, if I do 10 minus x, I'm doing 10 take away 2.44. Well, that's 7 times, well, 10 take away 2.44 is 7.56, and if I do 7 times 7.56, I get 52.92. So the area of the rectangle is 52.92 centimeters.